It's been a long time I haven't uploaded any video, so I thought it would be a great idea to give you a tour of my new workshop that I have recently renovated and added something more to it. So let's get on with it. So this is what I made. This is a MCW, which stands for Monster Custom Works, and MCW again. I also made it recently, so I think it is a good idea to organize space, and also I can write my projects over here. Some tools are missing because I am doing, as I've told you, I'm renovating it, so it is still in the process of renovation. This is a cupboard I made, I think I made a few months back. I store my power tools over here. And this table I made a year ago. I do my art and craft work over here, and I'm thinking to do my electric work over here, so I will make it according to it. I recently made it and I have bolted it into the wall. So yeah, that's all. So stay tuned for more videos. I will upload it soon. I will upload more videos soon. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.